Good morning. Tashitele Tangmalo Shoputele. Today I'm going to make another charcuterie board. This is mostly vegetarian beside the cheese. So it's basically fruits, nuts, crackers, and cheese and fruits, dry fruits. So and I did a little design, and I thank you personally for watching my video, and I try not to make it too long because time is precious, and most of my videos are less than 10 minutes. So I really appreciate your subscribing my channel, and thank you for everything. Hope you guys will enjoy my short video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Well, Tangmalo Tashidele ani tharinga di tosugi pangle di sugewa shedogi di ani dinala thari shame kyangi di chura mashi chura di ragi chura da indido fresh mashi shingdo cherwa ani dinala targa che ani gyagi tosu saido yawa kadamitala do nada only che ani on the year ani kanzo new yon rewa year ani chura chinjin de yore de yabudo samsam nangla duban de lena resena ani dumde udo che ning jumudo sto ani thringe manda kharchi na dela design test thing go thogor na shi ani kanzo new yon rewa year ani ngigi khasa Timu Tangma Manche, Kamachule Walla, your Kachana to July the Kechumbra, what singing to the Kanzu to Jutulamata chair, what singing Manche Tortudo Sunny in the Chigger. Ni Tawe de Tojena, Ni Kranzola, Tamde Mango year loss, Inji Losangi, the Ani Lord Juti or Hondigi, the La Tangmalo Dashle, Lai, Ani. Simu Sirona ani Jeyong Lojama ani bye ani tanda di that's how I doing that's ang madaw sura ani indidor final piece. This is my final piece, and I hope you guys enjoy it.